Barbecuing exercises. All right, today I'm coming to meet friends here at the beach. Let us get together and have fun together. Welcome to another vlog. Amazing, right? In front there is the stairs to enter the place.
We will just have
All right, let me take you into this tent and show you the tent. I'm curious, I want to see what it looks like inside. Let me go inside and see. Coming is the toilet. Oh, this place is so beautiful.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it is actually. That is the other room. The other room. And the second room. Now this cabin is so beautiful and very spacious inside. This can easily take 2 or 3 people in it. This is our very handsome looking barbecue committee.
English mo lang.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Bro.
Ooh.
Hello, bro.
Yeah.
Barbecue?
Yeah.
Barbecue.
No, let's give let's
better one.
let's give it a good name.
This is the barbecue.
Barbecue. All right, welcome to the barbecue.
I like that, bro.
That's a good one, yeah.
ask for help though.
Bro, yours is almost ready. Oh, I keep forgetting. Oh, give it that with fireworks.
Are you sure, bro? You know how to do barbecue?
It is my first time making one.
In the beach,
And
right?
I'm excited. I'm learning. I'm learning how to do how to make barbecue. I'm with the professional.
Will burn, brother Jim.
I'm with the professional. He's the one showing me how to do it.
BBQ.
Right?
Yeah.
Bro?
It was burned.
Bro, what should I do? This one is ready?
Yeah, you can farm, then they said, it will burn the stick, so we don't want
Ah, really?
it. Yeah, this meat is more thicker than the one we left BBQ.
Really? So which one? What sort of meat is this?
This one's beef.
Beef.
Of course.
Yeah, you see? I'm barbecuing.
You're
Yeah,
barbecue, bro?
barbecuing. Yeah, bro. At least sis, I'm doing something. At least. Huh? How long?
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Barbecuing.
Barbecuing?
Making the best beef for everyone gathered here.
It's not yet cooked, bro.
It's coming. Don't worry. It's
coming?
coming. We gotta give it time. It's coming. Oh, I need water. Give me the water.
Let's wait.
No, I think the more you do it that way, the more the fire will come out. It's true, right? In September. No. August ended. Okay, and this is a traditional cabin. Wow, this is also very spacious. Two bed in here. With a very, very big, huge space. So this is what the traditional cabin looks like in this at the beach here. This can take a family of 3 or 4 very easily. Toilet. And the shower. Look outside, what it looks like outside. And the moment you come out, this is what you're greeted with. Incredible view. Incredible view. The thing I like about this place is how beautiful and friendly and lovely this place is. I'm already enjoying my time here. like about this place is just to come and spend time with the family. If you have a family and you're just looking for a very beautiful place to spend a night or two, this would be an amazing place to consider. And with all those tents over there, you get to spend the night with your family and just enjoy this amazing view. Imagine waking up to this, right? I know. Amazing, right? There's just something so peaceful about walking by the beach. The view, amazing, right? The way the water just rumbles by itself. Amazing, amazing, amazing view. There's just something lovely about this. Ooh! Oh wow! Good exercises. Yes, if you want to learn how to exercise, we recommend these exercises. For body, for arm, for legs, for everything. Good job. More exercises. Yeah! Wow, this place does look very good at night when the light comes on. And the little fireworks there. Awesome. Beautiful. This just makes it even more lovely. Look at what the night turns to here. With the light all lit on, it transforms this place at night. Amazing. Wow. Wow. And that is the view at night. I can just stand and watch this all night. I love firecrackers. There is just something energetic about it. One, two, three. Let's drink up! Yeah. Which one is better? These or the other one? There is pulp.
This one's good.
Is this guava? Is this guava?
No.
Grape tea.
With pulp.
Oh, nice.
No soda, no soda.
I like this one, guava, right?
Yeah.
Guava.
No, it's not guava.
Check your tongue. Guava, bro.
Guava, bro?
I don't know what it is. All of the above. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel.